employee from Air India has tested positive in New Delhi. The Air India building has been completely sealed following this. Shantashri, my colleague, joins us with more inputs. Shantashri, Air India employee who's now tested positive. Which department does this employee belong to? What else is happening?
Well, yes, one employee has tested positive, and after him getting tested positive, the entire Air India building, which is the Delhi office, which is just near the Election Commission building, has completely been sealed for 2 days, and sanitization process is being carried out over there. And also, those people who had come in touch with this person has been asked to be home quarantined, and after 14 days, if they do not show any symptoms, then only they can join office, or else they will be going under a test as well. So CCTV footage will be verified, and via which entire contact tracing will be made, that whoever come in contact with this person, and then tests will be conducted further. So for now, 2 days, Air India Delhi building has completely been sealed. Sanitization process is underway, and all those people who had come in touch with this person who is to work in the commercial department of Air India they are being asked to be home quarantined. So this is just after we saw that how Air India pilots and crew members in Mumbai got tested positive, but in 2 days they again got tested and it came out to be negative. Another development that is coming from Air India zone is this, that one person from the Delhi office has tested positive, and other people who had come in contact will be home quarantined. Yes, Christine.
All right. Thank you, Shantashri.